अक़सा के लिए शेर की आवाज़।
मज़लूम की चीखों से गरजता है फ़लस्तीन, मज़लूम की चीखों से गरजता है फ़लस्तीन। ज़ुल्मों सितम से इसको तुम आज़ाद करा हो,
अक़सा के लिए शेर की आवाज़ उठाओ।
इज्जत से जीते हैं, शान से जाते हैं। जब मैदान में आए हम, एक तारीख बनाए हम। जुनून से डटते हैं, खुशी से कटते हैं। जुनून से डटते हैं, खुशी से कटते हैं।
اللهم ارفع ما حل بإخواننا المستضعفين في غزة. اللهم فك حصارهم.
Why is the Israeli government arming illegal Israeli settlers in the occupied West Bank? We see it over and over again. Settlers carrying assault rifles attacking Palestinians on their own land. What began with Zionist militias before the founding of Israel has evolved into official state policy today. Israel's Ministry of National Security has handed out well over 100,000 assault rifles to Israelis and loosened its gun laws. And the Defense Ministry supplies training and ammunition. Many of those receiving the weapons are trained army reservists who often raid Palestinian communities in military uniform despite not being on duty, blurring the line between soldier and settler. In the last 18 months, there have been over 3,000 settler attacks across the West Bank, averaging to almost 6 per day. So why arm them? Israel justifies it as a security measure, just like it says the genocide in Gaza is about keeping Israel safe. But in reality, settlers are pushing Palestinians off their land and clearing the way for illegal settlement expansion, while the state avoids direct responsibility. In just 3 years, 117 Palestinian communities have been forcibly displaced. Almost 6,000 people left homeless. And those carrying out the violence rarely ever face any consequences thanks to state-backed impunity. Since October 2023, settlers have killed Palestinians in at least 21 separate incidences. Not a single one has led to a conviction. This is not random violence. Israel's goal seems clear: erase the Palestinians and replace them with Israeli settlers.
ये जो फलस्तीन का झंडा है, ये इंशाल्लाह लहराया जाएगा। कोई इसराइल नहीं है, काबिज कुव्वतों का कोई मुस्तकबिल नहीं है। इंशाल्लाह ये झंडा ये लहराया जाएगा और फ्रॉम द रिवर टू द सी, फलस्तीन विल बी फ्री इंशाल्लाह।